How to remove a black background in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Premiere Pro application and at the top left corner simply click on Import. After that you can simply import the file, video or photo from which you want to remove the black background. After that simply select the folder. Once you do, you can also simply select multiple folders from which you want to remove the black background. Now after the media has been selected, in the import setting, select the sequence. Now here in the editing page under opacity, simply click on blend mode and then after it will remove the black background. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.